Today is day one of the free workshop for nursing agency startups, and we've had quite a lot of entrepreneurs here today, nursepreneurs and healthcarepreneurs also.
A friend of mine who's in nursing, we've been looking at how to set up a nursing agency. So he went and searched on the internet through YouTube. The details came up and we listened and looked at some of her training. And through that we thought this can be very, very good. There's an opportunity here to come and see what she's got.
Although I've already started, but I felt that I still have some missing gaps in between. So it was my hope today that if I came today, I'll be able to take away some very essential skills so that I can be a more professional recruitment agency.
So far, very good. We've enjoyed it. The agenda, at least we've gone through it till lunchtime now. She's given us kind of an introductory way of how to set up our business, and we are very, very geared towards, taking the next step. And probably we may go to the boot camp as well to know more.
One thing you've got to do is just put a lot of hours into it. If you want this to be one of your main businesses and you want to, take it somewhere, you have to put a lot of hours in, like anything.
What's stopping you from being here today? Please look on the website, follow the link, read about me, and then come along and meet me in person at one of my workshops.